In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix USB device not recognized in Windows 11 and 10. First thing you're going to do is go here and go to Control Panel. Then you want to go to Power Options. Under Power Options, you want to go to Change when the computer sleeps. And then change Advanced Power Settings. And then go to USB Settings. Go to USB Selective Suspended and make sure this is disabled. So to disable it, just click on it and choose Disable. After that, just click Apply and OK. Now if this doesn't fix your issue, then what you can do is then you can just go to search, type in create and format. So create and format hard disk partitions. Then wait for this to load. After it loads, select your USB drive here and then right click, change drive letter, change, and select any other letter. After you select it, you want to click OK, and then OK, and close this down and see if this fixes your issue. So what you're gonna do now, if it doesn't work, then go to Device Manager, and here you want to go to USB drives. So it's Universal Serial, and here you just want to update your USB drivers. So you're gonna go like one by one and update each one. So to update, for example, I'll show here, click Update Driver, and here it's gonna, you could either choose automatically or to browse from your computer. So you could do this and select the driver and click Next, and this will update. And do the same thing to this one, just browse and let me check and choose this one and Next, and this will update it. So updating these hopefully should fix your issue. And lastly, you can just restart your computer and hopefully this should fix your issue. If it did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.